You seen the title, you seen the thumbnail. I know that thing looking good. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. Buffalo chicken burger. You ready? Let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call. Let me tell you what we have. Right here, we have our chicken breast. I have some hot sauce right here, whatever hot sauce you prefer. Now we're gonna make our own buffalo sauce. Now if you wanna cheat and just get the Frank's buffalo sauce, you could do that, or already prepared buffalo sauce. Feel free to do that, but I like to make my own buffalo sauce. So again, I have my hot sauce here. We're gonna use some yogurt. We give you some pepper jack cheese. Now guys, if you don't wanna use pepper jack, use whatever type of cheese you want. Olive oil, some butter, minced garlic. We have some chives here, honey. I'm using some Sazon, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked hot paprika, and some black pepper. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken. So we're gonna add our Sazon here. I love using Sazon. Our hot smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and our olive oil. And you already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna get that mixed up in this bowl, making sure we get that seasoning on all parts of the chicken. All right, so we're gonna sit this aside. I'm gonna let that rest, let that seasoning penetrate that meat, and we're gonna continue by preparing our buffalo sauce. Okay, so let's start preparing the buffalo sauce. Now, right here we have our melted butter. This is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, guys, if you have your own buffalo sauce recipe, feel free to use it. I'm just interested in making a simple buffalo sauce. I'm only use these 3 ingredients, so we're gonna go ahead and add our hot sauce to this bowl with our butter and our honey. And we're just gonna get at a good mix. Just that simple. All right, we're gonna sit that aside until it's time to use it. Now we're gonna prepare the spread we're gonna use to top our chicken. So we're gonna add our yogurt here. And guys, you can easily just use ranch. If you wanna use ranch, that's fine. We're gonna add our chives, our garlic, and I forgot to mention that we're gonna use some apple cider vinegar too. And you can either use water or you can use chicken broth. I'm gonna use chicken broth. All right, and we're just gonna get that mixed up. All right, let's sit this aside and we're gonna get over on our smokeless grill and start preparing our chicken. All right, so guys, we are at our CUSIMAX indoor smokeless grill. That's what I'm using. Now, if you have an outdoor grill, feel free to use it. So I've already got this preheated to 350 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start adding our chicken. And I'll leave a link to this grill in the video description. And we're just gonna let this cook maybe about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Of course, you want the internal temperature around 165 degrees. All right, so we're gonna flip these babies over. We're gonna let these cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on this side. And what I like about this CUSIMAX, guys, it leaves those grill marks like you've actually been out there on the grill. I really like to see that. It makes me feel like I'm really doing something, but doing it on the inside. So we're gonna flip this back over. And now we're gonna start adding our barbecue sauce. And you wanna make sure that as you're cooking this, you're adding that barbecue sauce. Oh, I'm saying barbecue sauce, this buffalo sauce, forgive me, all through the cooking process. And I'm gonna flip this back over, add more buffalo sauce here. You want this drenched in buffalo sauce. And we're gonna let this cook for a couple more seconds. Let that sauce kind of penetrate that meat, and then we're gonna add our cheese. So we're gonna do our last brush right here. And now we're gonna start adding our cheese. I'm gonna put the top over this, let that cheese melt. All right, guys, let's take this off. Oh man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn our grill off, and we're gonna get over here and start building this buffalo chicken sandwich. All right, let's get over to the cutting board. All right, so we're gonna take our spread, we're gonna add it to the bottom of our bun like this. And we're also gonna add some to the top, like that. And we're just gonna add a nice little piece of lettuce there. And we're gonna take our chicken, and we're gonna add it there just like that. Oh man, we just wanna take the top of our bun, grilled buffalo chicken sandwich. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Also, the measurements and ingredients will be in the video description below. Guys, let's jump into quality control because this baby look good. Man, look at that thing. All right, let's go. All right, so we're back in here, quality control. Let me show you what we have here. You know this thing is good. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. Oh man, I'm put it back up to the camera one more time. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, that baby cooked. This is absolutely, man, look at that. That dripping in that buffalo sauce. You definitely want to try this. So until then, you already know who I am. Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.